We're gonna.
You know that's what, you know it's summer when all the side hoes are calling, and I'm like, no.
No.
We're gonna cross it.
Okay, what can you say about
Listen
that?
and we don't judge.
We listen and we judge.
Well, I do judge, but like I don't say that.
We listen and we judge. We're already judging without listening. We just judge, period. Malapit na sa tayo siya. Right, Gail? We're almost there.
There because the Hachi one had a lineup, and then we didn't want to line up. I'm actually curious. I did want to try it, but there was only $15, and now we gonna spend $60, but it's gonna be really good.
Yes. We will eat $60 worth of food. We're here. Uy! Nakita ko yun. Pasok na. Ano ka sabi sa vlog? I am so ready.
So ready to get
Tao.
I'm reading my calories.
sayo nga.
Sayo nga, sige. Hawak mo ang beat.
Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo.
Hawak mo ang beat. Dubai Chewy Chocolate. Ano, tara?
Dubai Chewy Cookie, ano tara? Ilocos Empanada, ano tara?
Hawak mo ang gabi. Hawak mo ang gabi. Ako, I say. Dear Ate Chan, hawak mo ang gabi. Hawak mo ang gabi. Bakit ganun ang nangyayari sa mundo?
Amen.
Amen.
Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo.
That's a sarap.
Sarap? Masarap?
It's so hot. I forgot I have rings on. It's gonna heat up faster than
It's on a rolling basis, but if you're wondering when it's supposed to go,
Sarap. Magsa-second round na.
Second round ba natin?
Second round na natin.
Sige lang, Ben. 2-1.
How many
One.
rounds can we?
Two.
Two lang?
Or 3.5.
Four. Four?
Guys, we're so weak.
We're so weak.
She died.
Two lang. Two lang daw kay Donnie. Akin four.
Or 2.5. Depends.
2.5. Gawin mo ng 3. Ano bang 2.5?
Half lang ng third. Ano? Half lang ng 3.
Luto ka lang dyan.
Dedicated for shrimp. There's a clean
My
one here
shrimp
too.
allergy. Shrimp allergy. Paano fastest cashier?
Like the bag is making sense.
This is the fastest cashier I know. And he gets down. He don't play.
I have a membership club.
You have the Zara. That shit pisses me off every time.
Donnie is gone.
Empty chair.
He went home. He needs to shit.
The last vlog. Fastest cashier.
Cashier.
Like the bag is making
Yeah. Donnie went home fast.
He had an emergency.
He had to the emergency fast. He needed the shit fast.
Now we're at round 3 out of 1,000.
Ano ba tawag? I think you said 10,000.
We didn't say we'll finish it today. That's true.
Yeah. Is this what round? Round
This is
4?
round 4, and the dessert is gonna come. So does that count as round 5?
Yeah, I think it does. We had dessert, but we finished. I forgot to. Look at that. It's round 5. Round 5. Round 5. And I got this food. That's all Gail's. Gonna finish it all.
That's the end of the Thai show run for today. That's 5 out of 1,000 rounds.
5 out of what?
We're so full.
Yeah, I feel like I could eat more, but I won't be able to walk. Ito na kami. Wow.
Ganito.
Go, Gailey.
That's okay. That's good. That's good.
Yeah. And then just aim in the middle.
Guys, there's no lines.
No line.
Tapos natamaan yan, no? Sige, sige, sige.
Sige nga.
Sige nga. Okay, go, go, go. Ayan, go. Wow! Pumalakpak.
Ba?
Ayan, go.
Career daw.
Uy.
Huwag ka. Baka ma-park ka ni ano. Ni Malandyan lang pala.
Galingan mo, Lizzie.
I feel like sometimes he sleeps inside the cafe. I know he did. But I feel like he still comes by sometimes just to get away from everything. Lo 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 lo.
Vera. Lo.
I can make you better. Oh,
May baliw ata nakapasok.
baliktad yung ulo. Baliktad. Oh!
Oh, bigyan mo.
Binaliktad nga.
Balik. Wala. Go, Gail. Ay, ito na pala.
I can make you better. I can make you better.
Wait.
Tabi. Hello.
So bad.
Gago.
Nagsaslur na. Antok na.
Niya. Oh! Balik na daw yung ulo. Balik na daw.
Oh, kalbo.
Tanga, kalbo nanalo.
Kalbo.
Kalbo nanalo.
That's your last present for us kasi alis ka na.
Go. Isa pa. Tusukin mo na.